Hi guys, this is me Nishan Chetri from grapexels. In this tutorial, I will show you the best high-end face retouching technique in Photoshop. If you want to download this image, link is in the description below. First, duplicate the background layer and rename it if you want. Now we have to remove or reduce big red and dark spots. To do it, go to toolbar and select healing brush tool. Make sure to select sample in source. Now take a sample of skin by holding Alt key and then easily reduce or remove spots like this. This tool did pretty good job. You can see the difference before and after using it. Now duplicate the gold layer and rename it if you want. After that, right click to the layer and convert it into smart object. Now change its blending mode normal to vivid light. After that, go to Image menu, Adjustments and Invert. Or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+I to invert the layer. Now go to Filter menu, Others and High Pass. Gradually increase the radius until the red spots are completely invisible. Now hit OK and again go to Filter menu, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Again gradually increase the radius as your preference. And hit OK. After that, create a layer mask on skin softening layer. Now invert the layer mask using shortcut key Ctrl+I. After that, select the brush tool, keep opacity and flow 100% and make sure that the foreground color is white. Now increase or decrease the brush size and start painting over the face to remove the dark and red spots, or you can also soften the skin. Do the same in neck and shoulder of the girl as well. See the result before and after. Hit the like button if you are learning new things. Now we have to create a stem visible layer. To do so, hold Ctrl, Alt, Shift and E together. Change the name if you want. Right click to the layer and convert it into a smart object. After that, go to Filter menu and Camera Raw Filter. Go to Basic panel and increase the value of texture and decrease clarity little bit. Now go to Detail panel and adjust the value of sharpening, noise and color noise reduction. Some of the face parts of left side is more darkened and right side is more brightened. To fix this, we have to create dodge and burn effect. To do so, first create a curve adjustment layer, create a point on the center of line and take it up to brighten the picture. Let's change its name to dodge. Now invert the layer mask. Go to brush tool, right click and choose hard round brush. Now start making line on the darkened part of the face like this. After that, again create a curve adjustment layer, but this time take center point down to darken the picture. Change the name to burn and invert the layer mask. Now start making line on the more brightened parts. After that, go to Window menu and select Properties. Make sure Layer Mask is selected. Now take feather slide all the way to right until you see the differences. Select Burn Layer Mask and do the same. Let's make it group and change the name. As you can see, lighting is fixed now. Now let's put some lipstick on her lips. First, create a solid color adjustment layer. Choose red and hit OK. Change blending mode to multiply. Now decrease the opacity. Invert the layer mask and change the name. Make sure layer mask is selected. Now select the brush tool. Right click and choose hard round brush. Now start painting on the lips carefully. After that, make opacity 100%. Go to layer style and select blending options. Now take a right slider to left. Break it apart using Alt key. Do the same with left slider. Now go to properties and adjust the feather. You can easily change the color of lipstick. And here we go. See the difference before and after.